How's it going, guys? So it is January the 7th. Looks a little different around here. I'm talking about him, my cousin Cody. You say hi, Cody.
Hey.
We got about 3 inches of snow overnight. First substantial snow. We've had some flurries this year, but it's been pretty warm. So we're gonna move some calves to start off this afternoon. Take the Kubota, get the little calf trailer on it. Snow blew in here a little bit. Four-wheel drive now while we're not stuck. That's a game changer. Got 3 heifer calves to move out. There's an Angus bull from yesterday. 2 of these are twins, the older 2. These 2 twin sisters. We gotta set up another pen. Got that whole side filled with young calves. Switched across to this side. So 2 empty pens, we need another one for the last calf. We like to use calf jackets on these young calves. When the weather's cold, it takes so much energy just to maintain their body temperature. So with the coat on, they'll grow a little bit better. Just takes a little bit less work for their bodies to stay warm. Also gotta keep them dry, keep good bedding in there. But once they get up to about this age, we start taking the jackets off. It's not necessary anymore. A month old or something, a little less. Cody's parking the trailer. I'm gonna grab this skid loader with some wood shavings. We'll bed those calves in that barn. Calves should be good to go till next week. Days like this are when you like having a barn this style. Just nice shelter inside. Keeps you out of the wind and the snow. We got this garage door opener. We like to program these buttons to open up all the garage doors. We have buttons in our tractor for mixing. I'd also like to have one in the skid steer. It'd be nice. We'd use it pretty often, so I don't even know how to program these. We're gonna try. So this was the garage door that was rusting out. We got it fixed up on Monday this week. We had the garage door guy come out, and we had pulled these off of an old door. These two were replaced, and then this new panel, well, it's off an old door, but we got it cut down to size. Some new hardware for it, a couple hinges, and this corner piece. So it's pretty much as good as new. Not quite, but pretty happy how it worked out. All right, I gotta go get some tools for him.
Labeled on it.
So I think we got it figured out. So what do? Push the button, then push the remote button. We pretty much figured out that the controller we were trying to program doesn't work. I don't know if it's the controller doesn't work or if it's the wrong controller. You want to rotate the tires on this skid loader. The back ones tend to wear a little bit slower than the front. It's actually pretty even, but these are wearing a little bit quicker, so we're gonna just flip them front to back. But first I want to put a chain on the one gate out in the freestall barn. Yeah, so we got a clip and chain. I just need a grinder to cut it. I think we got everything we need. We need to have a chain right here to be able to pull this gate. We need to trap the cows when we're bedding up 3 times a week. It used to work out different. We used to be able to trap them with this gate. We would just close it like that, and then they couldn't return till we were done bedding. But now that we're bedding the groups differently, we need to be able to drive the whole way through here. These gates have to be open, so we have to be able to chain this gate to keep them back. If you saw in my last video, we made the group order change. There's several of these gates. They're one-way gates. They can push it this way, but then if they try to turn around and come back, it won't let them through. They're used to pushing through it, so when I want to chain it closed, I want to make sure I have a good strong chain on there so they aren't breaking it. There we go. So now we're gonna work at rotating these tires on the skid steer. So all we have to do is set some blocks under the back and then push up with the bucket. We should be able to lift the whole thing off the ground. We'll do one side at a time. More? A 2x or something. It's angled. Well, let's do the outside edges, or maybe get it right underneath this flat spot. Missed that one.
Yeah.
That's why you double check. We're looking for the oil leak that this Skidler has now. It's just a slow leak. And I'm gonna drive it around a little bit. Yep, it dripped right on that spot again.
Okay.
There's just a little drip of oil.
Yep. Touch around, starting at the top.
It looks like it's that plug.
Is it?
We were looking around in here and it looked kind of cleaner on the floor around this spot, and then Cody found a little puddle in this one fitting there and cleaned it up, ran it a little bit, and another drip of oil had fallen. So it's this main line going to the hydrostat there. I think it's that little plug right on the side of that thing down there. Gotta tighten that up. Yeah. See that?
Yep.
We drove around a little bit again, and there's no oil here. So that was it, just that little plug. It was just dripping a little. Had to add oil here and there. Gotta give Cody the credit for that one. It was good to get that oil leak fixed. About time to feed cows now, so I think I'm gonna wrap the video up. So yeah, see you guys later.
Where'd you want me to put this again? I have no idea.